Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today we're going to be unboxing Medusa's makeup for October of 2020. So this is supposed to be their spooky box, and last year when I opened up the box a bunch of spiders came out and they weren't real spiders, they were little spider cutouts, but they, from the corner, they look like you're not sure if they're real spiders, and every time I saw one later, because I spilled them all over, and every time I saw one later, at first I jumped a little because I wasn't sure. But let's go ahead and open this up. It says Hocus Pocus October 2020 cruelty-free and vegan beauty box, and on the back it shows you everything that's in here. I am not going to look, although I'm going to look at the value. It says $41 value. The first thing in here is Cocoa Betty oil wipes. Removes makeup, nourishes thirsty skin, vegan. So it's a vegan makeup wipe. This would be cool to put in your purse and travel with. So that's kind of nice. Oh, it says it helps clear blemishes and soothe sensitive skin. I don't know, but I will go ahead and put this in my purse for travel times. I think that would work out well. And then the next thing in here is a witch lash. And I have to say, I'm not a huge fan of Medusa's makeup witch lash. I really like some of their other products, but this is probably one of my least favorite products from them. I really liked I had an electric blue one that I really liked, but it dried out after using it only 5 or 6 times. Well, this is black. And I had their, I don't even want to open it. I've had their black before, and I actually used it more times because with the blue, I don't use it as many times in a row because it is blue. So I have to use it with certain makeup looks. So the black one lasted me longer, but it still doesn't last as long as other commercial makeups mascara does. It just doesn't. I'm just not as happy with it as with some other companies. I do like that it is vegan and cruelty free, so that's the nice thing about their mascara. That's something to keep in mind. I just don't think it's their strongest product. The next thing in here, oh, Kiss tinted lip balm. I've actually gone through 2 of their tinted lip balms, and I'm working on another one. These, I really like the formula. I like how nourishing that it is. It's very moisturizing. It makes my lips feel soft. The only thing I don't like about them is the size of the applicator, because it does end up kind of getting smeary on me. It's not easy to get, because I have pointed lips, it's not easy to get in there with such a wide applicator. But that's my only complaint. I like the formula of these a lot. The next thing in here, oh, lashes. I have another pair of Medusa's makeup lashes, but I don't think I've ever used them. So here's some lashes and some lash glue, and I'm gonna have to try these out. They look really pretty. I like how they taper down on the inside, and they're wider towards the outside edge. So I am gonna have to try those out. They look really pretty. The last item in here is, oh, setting spray. Medusa's makeup setting spray. I do have a setting spray from them, and I do like it. I do like it, so happy to get another one. I just want to see if there's a smell. You know, I can't really smell it. I'm post-viral right now, long hauler, so I can't really smell things, so I shouldn't be, I don't know what I'm doing trying to smell this, but anyway, yeah, I have another one of their setting sprays, and I really like it, so I like having this one as well. In here, it says we've got the setting spray, which is $11, the lashes, which are $7, the Lovebird tinted lip balm, which is $9, the witch lash, oh, it's a waterproof mascara. Okay, I'll try this. I don't know if my other one was waterproof or not, but I'll try it. I think I'll be happier with the black than I was the blue. It's $12, and then the coconut oil makeup remover is $2. So you do usually get only 4 items, or you know, like 5, like a sample or whatever, in their boxes. Like I said, they are under 20 each. So that's everything in this month's box. Let me know what you think of Medusa's makeup, or if you get it. What are your favorite products by them? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.